Yo, Jack JRC, welcome back. We're on kitchen first fix today, kitchen rewire. Nice job, ceiling's down. It's just nice, very nice. We'll go in now, measure up and go from there. We're in. Yeah, we're in. Yeah, ceiling's down. Absolutely mint, look. Ceilings are all down, they've connected up what was there, because I think there was a wall there by the looks of it. We're disconnecting the wall lights, it's having spots all the way through. And then the plan is hither, and we've gone round and drew. So there'll be a double socket centre. Drew it all round, we've got the hob here, so the extractor centre up there somewhere. We're going to have a double socket there, double socket there, and a double socket there. And then you've got fridge freezer tower, single oven and a microwave tower. So we'll put power at the bottom, which will do your fridge freezer, power at the top. We'll have the cooker switch and another socket, which will do the single oven and the microwave. Up there, extractor, I've said that. Extractor up there, and then what else we got? We've got larder, gas hob, so we'll need an ignition for that underneath, and then that's it, I think. Our appliance, so that'll be a dishwasher under the draining board, which is about here. Then we've got to connect up the conservatory again. That'll go into a spur underneath because it runs the power in there. We've got to move the light switch down to there, and it's going to have a 3-gang. One will do the spots, one will do a pendant, which is going above. There's like a breakfast bar island sort of thing here where it steps out. Pendant above there, and then one will do under cupboard lights all the way around. We've got a new tool today. First time we're using it, we've had it a couple of weeks. The wall chaser, Metabo wall chaser, so I'm going to give that a go. How good it'll be, I don't know, because it's all dabbed, so it might not be the best, but desperate to try it. I am desperate to try it, Leaker. So yeah, it's nice. Power's off. I'm going to disconnect the lights now, take them back to the switches, disconnect it all, and then we'll start drilling the joists. Scott will start drilling the joists, won't you, Scotty?
Oh.
Look at him. State of him, he's still ain't recovered from the darts. He only had one beer. Go racket these youth of today, can they? Bloody youth. Yeah, we'll start disconnecting. Scott can start getting the laser. Oh, he's got the laser out. Is that at the right height?
Not yet, we need to
We'll set that up at the right height and then we crack on. So, measured up now. Measured where the sockets are. Scott's drew round them. We've added another double there. Scott, there's a double going there as well.
Leave it left this side.
So yeah, we've done that. We've ripped all the old cables out, and this one, that's our first leg. And is it that one? Yeah, that one's our last. So what we might have to do is extend them in the ceiling, bring them round. That way everything in the kitchen's brand new. All the cables are new. If there's ever a problem, it's with existing. We can take the floor up from above. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. We've got a new toy. Look at her. It's the triple bladed bad boy. Took me about half hour to get that blade in. I did not have a clue. I didn't have a clue. I had to message Sean in the end, off of Cablesmith, and say, what's going on with this? You have to take the actual guard off. Didn't know. Instructions are terrible. To be fair, my missus told me how to do it from the start, but I ain't listening to that, no way. Not a chance. Not a prayer. We've still got to disconnect these wall lights because I've got no idea where they're fed from. So they look like they go straight through the wall. There's nothing up there, but there is a bit of cap in there, so whether they go down and then across. But that's got 2 at each, so I don't know. We'll have to chop round and just find out what's going on. Gonna get this chaser set up then. I'm excited, man. I am excited. We've got this crap Hoover still. Hopefully it'll do the trick. Fingers crossed. If not, kids are crying. Gonna have to buy a new one. It's one of them. I just hope it's really good. Are you excited, Scott? Scott's excited as well. What more can you ask for if Scott's... Look how excited he is, you can tell by his face. He's over the moon. Tell your face you're excited, Scott. Yeah, I'm going to get this bad boy set up and then get a mask, some goggles on and start busting open the walls.
This is cheap. Bono's just setting up his chaser, look.
Bono? I like it. I'm so cool. Yeah. I'm so cool. Like Edgar Davids. Oh, look at me. Anyway, with that chaser is mint. Absolutely mint. Look at that. Whew, look at it. What do you think, Scott?
Brilliant.
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 There's no dust. Literally nothing, and that's with a crap Hoover. So I definitely won't be spending 500 quid on Hoover. No chance. Nothing, is there? I wish I wore ear defenders though. My ears are ringing. And it gives you arm pump a bit. When you're weak like me. But yeah, that was absolutely mint. I didn't want to do it on camera because it was my first time. So I was nervous. But I'll show you. I've got a chop to do here. Right the way down. Double socket there. So I will show you that in a minute. Also today, the first time, because of the chaser, we've bought over Conduit. So we've got that and some all band. So we're going to fix that into the walls today. We don't normally, we just clip. But with the chaser, obviously, it's a lot easier and it's hopefully a lot faster. So yeah, I'll set the camera up and you can watch me do that one. Look at that. So now we've chopped it, we've cut the oval cap in, conduit, whatever you want to call it. Five pieces of what's that called now, Scott?
All band.
All band. Drilled through the middle, folded them over, and that looks mint, don't it? And it's a lot faster than clipping. Obviously we're used to clipping, but that's mint. Well happy with that. Neater. Nice. Next one we've done, we've come down here. Look at that. Nice. Come down there, we're going to go into there, straight down for a coil here, which is going to do your hob ignition, gas hob, so the ignition. It'll come round there, socket next to it, something like that. And then we've got to drill through. They want a socket behind the sofa for the reclining and that. So this one will come all the way through, down to a coil. We'll probably spur off for the one in there, to be fair. Yeah, so I'll get that chopped in and pushed down, and then that's another one done. We've done all the chops now. There's a lot of either in my videos. Done all the chops now, and it was mint, really good. So the only bits of dust really is from when we've ripped it out. Scott's drilled the joists, so that's made more dust than the chaser, and that's with that Hoover, which is about 60 quid. It's really good. I think the bag's near enough full though off these chops. So we've identified where the ring is, thought about where we're going to connect on, what we're going to do. So this leg we're going to be taking right the way through, drop down to there. That's going to be the first. Then it's coming back over, drop down that chase there behind Scott for the sockets above, drop down, sockets below for your fridge. Then it comes off to here, which, look at that. Honestly, that's mint. So that comes down to here, double socket, comes down to your coil there, which is going for your ignition, like I said, and then we've drilled straight through in the sound zone for the socket in there, which is going to be service mounted. It then comes off, socket there, extractor there, socket there, then it goes down, and there's going to be socket there, and drop down, and another coil left for the dishwasher, which is going in there. There's going to be a spur in the cupboard for conservatory, and that's it on the socket wires. Cooker, Scott's just brought the existing cooker over. I'm going to put it in a bit of the cap in there, leave it poking out. It's going to come straight into the top of the cab, top of the tower. That'll be into the cooker switch to feed either the oven or the microwave, depending on the rating. And what the other one will go on a plug top into the ring. So we're going to pull a coil there and a coil there, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, Scott?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Then here, we've done a double chop there, which is going to be a 3-gang switch. So we'll get a feed. There's all these. I think this is your neutral in. So we're going to try and get that down to the switch. Your permanent live is there. So that's your permanent live, which comes through. So we'll pull that back as well. Take it down to there. So we've got a permanent live and neutral at the switch. Neutrals can be Wago behind, and then link the lives out to the commons, which will then go off to your pendant spots, undercovered lights. Still got to chop the undercovered lights in. That'll take 2 seconds though. It's just stabbed down and we leave it above the cabs, and then we can come down the back of the cabs for the lights. What else is there, Scott? That's it, I think. There's just a bit of messing about with these lights to find out what we can rip out, what we can't, where these are fed from, because I've got no idea. We'll follow the switch wire back, to be fair. That'll probably take us to roughly where it is. Another chop here. Scott's got a socket to chop. Repeating myself now. Nice. Just found a job for my missus as well, which is awesome. I'm going to give her that. And she can cut 5s up. Cut them into 5, put them in there. Nice. Save some time. Also, have I shown you this? New drum runner. It's the Super Rod Cable Jack Plus. Cable Jack Plus. There's your advert. Put that on your Instagram, you dogs. So yeah, we're not far off. I'll start ripping these lights out now, tracing the cables back, get the Wagos on where we need to, and then what? What's he doing? Why are you clipping it?
It's only got to go through, yeah?
Yeah, it's going down that chop on the left. That's why I've chopped it.
Is this for your ring?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just put it on.
He doesn't listen, does he?
It's not.
Just put a piece of that on. I'm an elite electrician now. You try teaching them, don't you, the kids? Try teaching them, showing them the best ways, and they just do what they want.
Kids?
The kids, the youth of today. Yeah, go on.
You're a year older than me, mate.
Yeah, but I look about 10, so... Look 10 years older, so technically you're youth. Guardian. Not far off now, kids. I've got one more leg to take from here. Down to there. Everyone is kids, are they, kid?
Yeah, Mr. Tumble.
Shut up then. Another one from here to there. Scott's doing that chop now, he's marked it out. There, look. Nice. And that one's having... That's not having a drop down. Yeah, it is. Drop down to there for the spur. Done the undercovered lights, chopped in, put some capping around them. Everything else is done. We've just got to measure the spots out. We've put there's a feed up, look, which is here. This is to our first spot, so Scott could get the capping onto the lighting. Yeah. Don't know what else I can tell you. Bit of a weird one, 'cause not really a lot I can show you that we haven't shown you before, but it's another job, eh? Eh, like? Right, Scotty?
Yeah, I know what you can tell him.
What? Hilarious. So I'm just measuring out the spots now. I've marked these up, put the laser down, and that's 850 in. That's to allow for the towers that are going here, and I'll probably match it up the same the other side. I've measured them out, and it's working out two rows of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 back down there, which is 10. I couldn't get 8 in neatly and nice with the spacing, so we've added another 2. Yeah. Put the measurements out now. 2 rows of 5, 85 in, 85 in. Then we're going 80 off that wall, 85, 85, 85, 85, just to keep them the same sort of distance. So they're all wired. They're going to be tucked up now. This is the pendant. Just left it there so when they board it they can bring it through wherever they want above the the ting. Yeah, everything else is done. Scott's just having a tidy up, ain't you, Bert?
No.
Oh, I'll go down. Oh, we've drilled out there as well. Well, we haven't. There was already a hole, but that's going out here to a double socket. I thought if we put it there, it covers the hole that was already there. Yeah, you can just go there for whatever they want it for. I don't think they was originally having one, but it's a good idea when you're having that sort of work done. If it's on an exterior wall, just bang a socket. It takes 2 seconds, do it. So yeah, we'll have a tidy up, and that's it. Just want to show you this. Using that chaser, that's literally it. And that's only because we've drilled the joists out, chopped out bits where there was sockets before. There's that, and that's it. Obviously there's a lot because Scott's cut the boxes out with the multi-tool, so that's caused a bit of it. But literally that, with our hoover, saved us loads of time tidying up. And this little trick with these is absolutely mint. Looks neat, probably easier for the plasterer, I don't know, but it's gotta be. Got to be. Look at it. So yeah, we're all done. All done here. Last bit of tidying up to do. Load the van up, which is probably going to take us 4 hours. And then we've got to go to another job. What time is it? What time is it? It's 2:15. We'll make our way back to Boyos to a kitchen second fix. Which is just what you want to do after work. But we've got to get it done. We'll be busy, we're rammed, can't do it any other time. So, on that night shift, we done. Another one. Took the measurements, got them on my phone. Ready for the second fix now, which will probably be in a couple of weeks. Yeah, nice job. That Metabo thing is, honest to God, rapid. No dust. I'm well happy with it. It's expensive, but it's worth it, the time it saves. And the dust, less dust. It's mint, really. Remember, more dust sweeping up after. Sweeping up, like, yeah, nice. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, you know what to do. Press that subscribe, press that like, and press that comment. Write some comments in it. Say bye, Scott. Scott?
You see me?
Oh no.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Friendly, isn't he? See you later. Ta-ra.